here, Batman. I'm going to riddle you with questions. Answer my questions correctly, or you will be destroyed. Magpie is here to protect me. Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready, Riddler, for whatever question you ask me. Well, we'll see about that. Let's begin. One card. Two cards. Three cards. Four cards. Five cards. Six cards. Seven cards. Eight cards. Nine cards. 10 cards. Correct, Batman. But I doubt you'll get this next question right. Now subtract 2 cars. What is 10 minus 2? Easy, Riddler. 10 minus 2 is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cars are left. Well, let's make it harder now. Subtract 4. What is 8 minus 4? Eight minus 4 is 4. Correct, Batman. Now subtract 2. What is 4 minus 2? Four minus 2 is 2. Now subtract 2 from what we have there. What is 2 minus 2? Minus 2 is obviously 0. You got me this time, Batman, but never again.